How you doing, sir?
Hey, how you doing?
Officer Fergali, Abilene Police Department.
Yeah.
What are you up to today?
What'd you pull me over for?
I was just curious. I saw you behind me. I couldn't tell
You
what
turned
you
your
had.
emergency lights on and pulled me over because you were curious?
Yeah,
Is that
suspicious
legal?
activity.
What statute is that?
It's suspicious activity, sir.
What's
Do you
your
have a
badge?
driver's license on you?
What'd you pull me over for?
Suspicious activity. I didn't know what you were
That's
doing
not
behind me.
that's not a law.
Actually, I
no,
can
it
pull you
isn't.
over for that, sir.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network channel. Today I'd like to present to you guys a pretty well-known video from this channel here. It's got a little over 2 million views and would like to give my highlights on this one. Watch as this man stands up for his own rights during an illegal traffic stop. As always, the original video and channel link will be in the description down below. And of course, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Go show some support to this channel and don't forget to let them know I sent you. Thank you guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
You have to have a statute why you pull me over.
Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
What was the suspicious activity?
What's the, who's the vehicle returned to from that stop? 10-4, can you run, please? Can I ask what you were doing out there, sir?
I'm not going to answer any questions.
So why are you asking me questions then?
Because you're a public servant. I'm not. I'm not paid with taxpayer dollars.
Okay. So what's your name? Is this your car?
Why did you pull me over? What statute is that you pulled me over for? What lawful reason? Can you articulate that? Because I took your picture?
I couldn't tell what you were doing, sir.
Right. Well, then you pulled me over because you couldn't tell what I was doing?
Because it was suspicious activity. You sat behind me even though there was no reason to. There was no traffic coming.
I didn't sit behind you.
Yes, you did. You sat on Brewster Street for a while.
Yeah.
There was no traffic coming. You could have pulled out and turned north onto Richmond as your blinker suggested.
Why were you sitting there? There was no car in front of you.
I had conducted a traffic stop.
All right, move out of the way of the road. You're impeding traffic.
10-4, can you check it out? Just any alerts or anything like
that. Hi.
Hi.
Lieutenant Alvac with Appleton Police. You asked to talk to a supervisor?
Yeah, this guy pulled me over for suspicious activity.
Okay.
He said, what statute is that?
Which what?
What statute is that?
Well, it's not a statute, sir. It's a...
So he's pulling me over for non-violation. I haven't violated, I wasn't committing a crime. I wasn't about to commit a crime, and he didn't catch me committing a crime.
Okay.
Why did he, or any violation, why did he pull me over? Suspicion in itself isn't a reason to pull someone over.
Well, when you're in an area where an officer is conducting a traffic stop on another vehicle and you
Right.
stop and you have something in your hand, it's kind of a dangerous world we live in right now. Okay, so he didn't know what your intentions were or what you had in your hand.
Right.
Okay, it's certainly within the law to film. You just have to do it in a way that isn't.
Feelings and propaganda, especially coming from a police officer, are absolutely no reasons to ID someone, let alone conduct a traffic stop on them without any violation or crime committed. And hopefully that's what these officers learned here that day in this video. You guys would be amazed on how many officers are clueless on your basic human rights, let alone the laws they're supposed to enforce. Which is why every single video you see on this channel is supposed to let you know and remind you how important it is to record your police interactions, as well as know your natural born human rights, and of course the laws of your home state and country. With that being said, everybody, let's get back in the video.
Going to cause concern with regards to an officer's safety.
No, that's not true. The Supreme Court already ruled on this. It doesn't interfere with the officer safety.
Yep.
At all.
Yep. Okay, so he stopped to see what you had in your hand because he didn't know
Well,
it was a camera.
that's not what he said. He said suspicious activity.
Yep.
And that's not a reason to stop me either.
Okay. Well, it could be. It certainly could be.
Well, a lot of things could be,
Yeah.
but it's not.
Well, the totality of everything here is he didn't know that was a camera. Okay, if it was clearly a camera, it wouldn't have been a stop. but he didn't know what it was.
Yeah, it's still a violation of my rights for him to pull me over for that reason.
Okay, we don't have anything else right now? Okay. Okay, well.
Yeah, I didn't commit any violation or crime. You can't run my ID.
Okay.
I'm talking to you.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Do you need it for anything else? 'Cause
Don't stop people unlawfully. Honor your oath.
You're on your way, sir.
Honor your oath.
You're on your way.
You're on your way.
Is that your camera?
What do you think it is?
Why don't you pay attention to the road?
Why don't you stop talking to me?
If you guys enjoyed that, be sure to head down below in the description for the original video and channel link. Don't forget to go show some support to this channel, Super Rick 568. As always, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you guys haven't yet already, please do be sure to go subscribe to my new channel, I Know My Rights. I'll be sure to leave that one in the description below as well. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.